welcome back to my channel. My name's Jacqueline and today I've got for you my ultimate Oreo shake. So guys, as we've been having lovely weather lately, I've decided to make a cool, refreshing milkshake. And what better choice than Oreo? Everyone loves Oreo, right? So what we want to do, guys, is take around 6 Oreos and we want to blitz them all up in a blender. If you don't have a blender, don't worry, you can use a pestle and mortar and crush all the Oreos up yourself by hand. I'm going to go in with our milk. I'm using dairy, but you can use any type of milk you like, almond, oat, vegan, whatever you want. Cookies and milk, that reminds me of another video. I'm just going to grab some ice cream from the freezer, guys. I'm using dairy ice cream, but you can use vegan ice cream. So there we are, we're going to give this a nice good blitz, and later on we're going to get some ice. So guys, you can make this milkshake according to what you like. You might like a thicker milkshake, therefore add more ice cream, or you might like a thinner one, so add more milk. It's completely up to you. Now we need to melt our chocolate for our chocolate sauce. I'm using dark chocolate chunks, but you can use milk, it's up to you, or you can even use white if you prefer white chocolate. So to melt our chocolate, we need a bowl over a saucepan of hot water, but we don't want the bowl to touch the water in the pan, otherwise it will burn. Now we want to whip some cream for the topping of our milkshake. So just pour some into the mixer, or you can use a hand whisk. Now it's time to put our chocolate sauce into our cup. So what you want to do is just drizzle it all around the cup. You can put as much or as little as you like. In terms of flavours, when we're making the shake, you can add more chocolate flavour by using chocolate ice cream, or you can use strawberry ice cream. It's entirely up to you. Once it's all drizzled, we're going to add some Oreo pieces down the bottom and mix with our milkshake. In each cup, we're going to crumble some of our lovely Oreos. Just going to give this a little stir, and there we have it. We're ready for our cream. We want to add an Oreo on top, and then it's time for our delicious chocolate sauce. And there we have it, our delicious Oreo shakes. How good are they? Now you guys can add whatever you like on here, maybe some more cookies or some crumb, up to you. And now for my favourite part, the tasting. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this super easy one I have for you today. For those of you who don't have a sweet tooth, not to worry, I will be coming up with some great savoury ideas soon. If you liked today's video, please like, comment and subscribe. Until next time.